All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to On Time on Target, a play of the day. You have four screens in front of you. You have SPY all the way left on a 1 minute chart, and then we have three longs displayed. Again, even though the market's in the red, nothing really qualifies for the downside. So we're looking at three longs: MJ, which is marijuana, JKS, which is Jinko Solar on the clean energy play, and then DraftKings on the online gambling play. All are blue wave stocks that are poised to jump this morning. All right, you can see the market down 0.5%. Again, this is the S&P 500 here. We'll zoom in on these a little bit and look for an entry. If the market sells off, all of these might sell off. Look at that move. That was on buck move down in DraftKings. Still up 6%, so it's in the heart of our window. Again, 8% for Jinko Solar and then 6% for MJ. Let's look at MJ as the entry point here. Low of the day, 618. So if we went with a 20-cent stop, that's a 28 entry. So 1628 long is what we're looking at with a 20-cent stop. If it breaks below 1618, we'll reset that. I didn't quite catch it there myself when it flashed above 628. So again, staring at it. There we go. Let's take it 1630. 1630 is your entry point. 22-cent stop. We've got it long. We got the low of the day in there. Boy, looking over at Jinko Solar just took off. So we're into this with the 1618 stop for MJ. So I'll draw that down here. 22 cents to be 1652 is 1R. So all the way up. Nope, I must have done the math wrong. 1620. Ooh, we got a 12-cent stop. So a tighter stop than I anticipated. 1642. So bad math on the fly this morning. 1654 is our second R unit. And then our exit point, if you want to get that programmed in, will be 1666, which is off the screen there. So again, we're in MJ long at around 1630, depending on when you got it, with a 12-cent stop below the low of the day. Oh, wow. Let's look at Jinko Solar. So we have that in. Get your stops in. That should be fine. Let's see. This move, that bar right there is a $2 bar. That thing is flopping around. Tough to get in and trade something like that because that's a little bit crazy there as far as this first minute, 71 to 69. I mean, almost $2 bars there back to back. All right, DraftKings looks like it's sold off all the way down to 50. Wow. So your entry point here for a trade would have been about, oh, wow, it's tough to get into this now. So can't really get into DraftKings. I do think it goes higher. It ends up, but you're not going to have the math that justifies you putting a dollar stop into this. You'd have to set the stop down here at 50-50 or at 50-50, and that's more of a dart throw than anything. So, all right, let's get back to our trade. We're above 2R, 1666, which is off the screen as our exit point. So have that programmed in, and then you're just going to simply wait for it. The market's not rolling over. The only time I would kill a long trade early is if the market just like strike down in red. So far, it hasn't done that. It's kind of holding steady here. So. Of course, I say that, and it starts to stripe. But we're up in the trade, which I like. I want to hold out for that 3R point. But when you look at 1666, where is that? It's not there. I want to go backwards and zoom out. Did it touch it this morning? Briefly, right? So I'm not sure I would really count this level of 1668. So really, your high is around this 1659. So it looks like there's a seller here. So it may face some resistance. So we might not get there in the first few minutes. It might take us. Okay, the trade didn't quite touch 16, our exit point. It got to what 2.7 R point. So we'll be a little bit patient for that to wait for it to hit 1666 for our exit. But overall, when you look at the SPY, almost back to even. So again, maybe this is getting us of a lot of folks out there, 51%, right, or 50%, wanting the blue wave to happen. We shall see. But market's kind of holding tougher than I thought it would. And again, 1665, we're almost there for the trade. So not going to, there it is, boom. and you're out of your trade. So got it before we went off air. I like it right at the 14-minute point. So with that, that's all I've got for you guys today. Good show this morning, and we'll be back at you tomorrow after we know the results. Well, hopefully we know the results, but there's probably gonna be challenges and stuff. So we may be talking election stuff tomorrow, or we may be moving on. We shall see. But with that, thanks for tuning in this morning, and we'll catch you next time.